Hi everyone, these sums from the chapter probability exercise 13.2. First problem. A bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability that the ball drawn is red, not red? In one bag, there are 3 red balls and 5 black balls. Total balls 8 balls. Question asked, what is the probability that the ball drawn is red? Total 8 balls, among them 3 red balls. So 3 by 8, simple. Next, not red. How many red balls are there? 3 red balls. Total balls 8. So not red balls are 8 minus 3. 5 red balls are not red. So favorable to not red balls are 5. Total balls 8. 5 by 8. Answer. Number of red balls is 3. Number of black balls 5. Total balls in a bag 3 plus 5 8. Let E be the event that the ball drawn is red. The ball drawn is red. Number of all possible outcomes 8. The number of outcomes favorable to E. How many red balls are there in the bag? 3. So favorable outcomes 3. So probability of event to be a red ball is equal to number of outcomes favorable to E by total possible outcomes. P of E. E is equal to 3 by 8. Now second question. What is the probability when you draw a ball that is not red? Total balls are 8. Among them 3 red, 5 black. Not red balls means 5 black balls. 5 balls. Probability that the ball drawn is not red. See, this is a complementary event. Probability of E plus probability of E dash is equal to 1. Probability of E dash is equal to 1 minus probability of event. 1 minus 3 by 8. In the denominator 1. 1 by 1 minus 3 by 8. Here denominators 1 comma 8. Unlike fractions, find the LCM of 1 comma 8. Their LCM is 8. Now convert these two denominators as LCM 8. 1 8s are 8. 8 1 is 8 minus same denominator. So same numerator 3. The difference of 8 and 3, 5 by 8. So probability of not event 5 by 8. First one completed. Now second one. A box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles. One marble is taken out of the box at random. What is the probability that the marble taken out will be red, white, not green? 5 red balls, 8 white balls, 4 green balls. Total balls 8, 4, 12, 5, 17 total balls. Among them, probability of red ball means favorable balls 5 by total balls 17, 5 by 17. Probability of white balls 8 by 17. Not green, how many green are there? 4. Remaining balls 8, 5, 13. So not green probability equal to 13 by 17. That's all. For understanding sake, but simplification method, number of red marbles in the bag is equal to 5. Number of white marbles in the bag is equal to 8. Number of green marbles in the box, not bag, box is equal to 4. Total marbles in the box 5 plus 8 plus 4. 5, 8, 13 plus 4, 17. How it is in the problem, same as it is I copied. Number of all possible outcomes 17. Number of red balls 5. So number of favorable outcomes in drawing a red ball is equal to 5. Probability to getting a red ball is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total outcomes equal to 5 by 17. Number of white marbles, 8 white marbles. Number of favorable outcomes when you drawing a white ball is equal to 8 favorable outcomes. Then to getting a white ball, probability to getting a white ball is equal to favorable outcome to be a white ball by total outcomes 8 by 17. Number of non-green means white and red 8 plus 5 13. Number of non-green or not green marbles is equal to 5 red balls plus 8 white balls. So not green balls are 13. Number of outcomes favorable to drawing a not green marbles is equal to 13. Probability of not green event is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total outcomes 13 by 70. Second problem completed. Now third problem. A kitty bank contains 150 paise coins. 50 paise coins 100. 50 1 rupee coins. 20 2 rupees coins. 10 5 rupees coins. If it is equally likely that one of the coins will fall out when the bank is turned upside down, what is the probability that the coin will be a 50 paise coin, will not be a 5 rupees coin? So first you add how many coins are there in that kitty bank. Number of 50 paise coins, number of 1 rupee, number of 2 rupees, number of 5 rupees, 100, 50, 20, 10. Sum of all coins. How many number of coins? Total number of coins is equal to 100, 50, 20, 70, 150, 170, 180. Total number of coins are 180. Probability that the coin will be a 50 paise coin. How many 50 paise coins? 100. 100 by 180. Favorable outcomes by total outcomes. 0, 0 get cancelled. 2 5s are 10. 2 9s are 18. 5 by 9. Favorable to a 50 paise coin. Number of favorable outcomes to the event that the coin will not be a 5 rupee coin. Then remaining how many coins are there? 100 50 paise coins, 50 1 rupee coins, 20 2 rupees coins, 100 50 20. Remaining coins are 170. Then probability that the coin will not be 5 rupee coin is equal to number of favorable will not be a 5 rupee coin by total outcomes 170 by 180. 0 0 get cancelled. 17 and 18 are co-primes, so we can't cancel for co-prime numbers. Now again dot, what is mean by co-primes? Those numbers which common factor is 1, they are called co-primes. Co-primes always are simplest form. Consecutive numbers all are co-primes to each other. For example 2 3 co-prime, 7 8 co-prime, 11 13 co-prime. In this way all prime numbers are co-prime to each other. Next, fourth problem. Gopi buys a fish from a shop for his aquarium. The shopkeeper takes out one fish at random from a tank containing 5 male fish and 8 female fish. 5 male, 8 female. Total 8 5 13. What is the probability that the fish taken out is a male fish? How many male fishes are there? 5. Total 13. 5 by 13. That's all. Simplification method. Number of male fishes in the aquarium is equal to 5. Number of female fishes in the aquarium is equal to 8. Total fishes 5 plus 8 gives 13. Number of possible outcomes 13. Probability that the fish taken out is a male fish is equal to number of possible outcomes by total outcomes. Possible outcomes how many? 8 plus 5 13. Possible outcomes to be a male fish 5. Total outcomes 13. So 5 by 13. Thank you so much to subscribe to my channel, watch my full video and share to your friends and family members. Thank you so much.